I wanted to start this video off by saying thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel as well as this video. Basically what we're doing is kind of like a day in the life. We got a couple of cars we're getting ready for a race, as well as a couple of projects that are coming out. As you can tell, I don't only work on cars or have a passion for them, but I do gaming and editing here, so we'll show you what we do here and see if we can bring some content to you. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then we'll see you in the footage.
Right up. Didn't even have to prime it that much.
at this point, we basically finish up the motor, put fresh fluids in it, car started, everything looked good on the logs. So we basically had to figure out the suspension. So a lot of what you'll see here is us figuring out the spacing on the rims, the fitment on the car, whether it'll clear the upper control arm or not, and then basically trying to get the car scaled. We do have a new set of tires coming in, so don't worry if you see that torn up tire. And then yeah, we'll get to testing after that. So here's the footage of that. All right, so the next footage I have is actually of my brother's car. For anybody that knows, he's actually half paralyzed. I'll do a little bit more in-depth detail of what's actually going on, but I figured I'd toss this footage in because we are pretty close to finishing the car. Car starts and runs. We're just waiting on a tune here in September. So here's the footage of that. All right. It's gonna be the backup block for the hatch. It's what, Abe's sleeve GSR. It's gonna be for Knuckles, if y'all haven't seen Knuckles. It's 92 EG VX. Just some bolt-on goodies from KLM. Precision turbo. All the fab work done by Belfab pretty much. Skunk 2 manifold. Vibrant couplers. Turbo Smart. Blow-off valve and wastegate. Pretty solid setup. Brother's getting his car together. Getting all done. So we got dyno session in September, running on the Motec M800. Finishing line, staging kit, Whitfield cage. Shout out to them. I know he gave us a shout out on your post. Not bad. Street car, full interior. See what it does. Plans are to go all-wheel drive whenever we can get the chance here. But yeah, not bad.
Got a swing out kit. Belfab did the fabrication. My brother's a little handicapped, walks with a limp. How long till we get the car out? That's the only matter. And what we got in the motor? What do we got going in the motor there? Carrillo pistons. OJ Performance Carrillo pistons. 84. Beauties.
Oliver rods.
Oliver rods.
NASCAR.
NASCAR. So we're gonna have Vegas Speed, right? Vegas Speed.
Machine.
Vegas Machine do the machine work and get the block O-rings, and then assembled. And then we got a couple of LS cranks that we're gonna throw together with these, and hopefully make some power. So, I mean, other than that, I gotta lift this shit in this truck now. Not really looking forward to that.